Wait, what are we running?
We're going Tracer Goats, guys.
Go to spawn. No,
Rage, I expect 16 grabs
Tracer
out of you.
Goats,
Quad
definitely.
DPS, boys.
Wait, I see you saw that?
Yeah, dude.
We're running.
Of course I saw that.
You're running.
Oh wait, whoa. What are we doing? Honor Goats here? Question mark?
Why when we can do sun goats?
Who knows?
Big question.
Do you
I
want to
got
play
it.
Lucio or Ana?
I can play Lucio, dude. Don't worry. I can whatever you're best at. I can play the opposite of.
Dude, what's your best
What do you mean what?
Dude, what if
I've
I'm
been
the
playing
best-
Lucio all day, so
No,
it's
What
like,
if? Wait.
What if I'm the best at Symmetra? You're gonna play.
what if you're the best? Then I'll play the opposite of your best.
Did anyone see
No,
that?
no,
I just
so
fire strike these balloons and none of them broke.
Sator.
So balloons don't break with a fire strike apparently?
Yeah, they don't because they're super glued together. Big-
I've been playing a lot of
I
Lucio
just-
today, so
Why does that work? That doesn't make sense.
I see. Coach me, dude.
What? Who?
Lucio.
That hurts my brain.
Elbow.
I'm bad at Lucio, so.
Shut
I
up.
watch.
I thought you said you could play it.
Shut up! I didn't. I just said that. I know, but
They're
Joking.
playing my pharmacy?
Not again. Okay, we're gonna have to switch.
Can they run goats 5
Yeah.
then? Yeah, we should run.
Yeah,
Sombra,
they're running dive.
We should run Sombra just to meet tech.
They're running dive, they're on right side. In the building. Let's back up the high ground, they have a pharmacy. It's probably not the best for it to stand up here. Okay.
Put
Monkey,
some on.
I'm not gonna jump.
they're on high ground.
They have a
Sombra,
Sombra.
they have some.
Good defense.
There's on me.
One. I'm
Nice.
hacked. Somewhere right side.
Baby
somewhere
Diva
right-
dead?
Mercy one.
There's right here.
Farah is low IQ.
Don't touch a rage. Rage, I swear to God. if
Is
you-
there a
Rage,
someone
I
up
swear to
here?
God,
I
if
thought
you
there
touch
was.
Rage, don't do
Did
it.
there? No, I don't know. Did there's okay?
You're feeding.
Yeah, you got him. You got him.
Yeah, we just staggered that so
you let
hard.
him, you let him volley.
I was confused where he was.
You're bad.
There, guys.
Dude, we staggered it so hard.
It's okay. You made them waste res. Now they don't have it for the fight. They traded in a few seconds of waiting for a lost ability.
30 seconds. Dude, he staggered the res.
Winston.
Stand behind.
What's in? He said, I'm hacked. I'm hacked. I'm just gonna play around the corner until I'm unhacked.
Can we play on point? Can we play on point?
Sombra's halves.
Can we get Diva here? Diva.
David.
I got rally.
Baby.
Don't touch her, don't touch her.
Oh.
We haven't
I'll
killed
try
the
behind
13
the
yet.
crates.
We
Did
can't
they have any
Sam,
ult?
they were backed off.
Did they have EMP? Did they have EMP?
Yes, they have EMP.
Yes, they do.
How about do they have Primal?
I don't.
I think so. I don't think
How about
he
Barrage?
is,
How
though.
about Barrage?
Yes, but
They have all the roads basically.
Okay.
Look at it then.
I didn't see an ultimate used yet.
So I'm gonna try to get my ultimate as fast as possible.
Rage, how close are you to I'm hacked?
20.
I might just use Shatter if I see an opportunity. Farah's
Okay.
above. Farah's
I'm gonna
above.
try to get
Got
Nice.
it.
Shattering. It's huge. I got 4.
speeding on Diva. Monkey. Nice. I'm on.
Yeah,
Then
side.
Mega.
Her translocator's in the room on the.
Oh, we have grab bomb. What do they have? They don't have any defensive ults. They just use not Val, but Raj.
Alright.
They definitely have EMP.
Grab bomb.
Do we
grab
want to
bomb,
rally
grab
this
bomb,
fight?
Grab bomb. Grab bomb.
Here, I'm gonna get on high ground so it's easier to get bomb. Okay.
Grab bomb. Grab bomb.
Yeah. I'm gonna set up here.
You only need grab bomb. Pop the shield. Pop his Winston bubble as fast as possible.
Yeah.
And don't let it get
They're
eaten.
definitely gonna use EMP, so I'm gonna try to hide for this.
Rage, you will not hear the end of it.
Monkey's on me. I don't know how to grab it.
I put forward. I'm fine.
They're all split. I can't grab currently.
Yeah,
Mercy
yeah.
low.
Make
I'm
them
until
push
they
on the
push on.
point.
Yeah.
They have to push onto the point.
They're on me.
Monkey behind.
Winston on me.
Lucky don't. Bubble popped, by the way. Bubble popped.
Monkey
Maybe.
stunned.
Grabbing.
Nice.
Speeding.
Oh, you!
Joey.
I can't believe we caught it. I can't believe we got caught on that.
Oh, I can't
I'm
shield.
hacked right now.
I'm actually triggered. I
5
didn't
point,
think-
5
It's
point.
okay. I got her before she remacked.
Get monkey no jump. Monkey no jump.
Sombra's on me.
Monkey's on the boat. Sombra's on me. Sombra dead. Joey, I'm so disappointed in you. Bar is above still.
Monkey no jump. Monkey no jump. Monkey no jump. He's no. Oh no no bubble either. No bubble.
Monkey, monkey.
Mercy. She's gonna go for us. Nice.
Nice.
That was unnecessary.
What do you mean? Lucio.
Keep him on point.
Lucio's gonna touch again. Lucio's low.
Sombra on point.
Sombra.
Sombra's fine.
I got her. Lucio's
Nice.
gonna touch again. Lucio is low and dead.
Dude, it's so
Zero
hard.
gas.
What do you
so
mean
hard
that
to-
shatter was unnecessary? That was perfectly
Hey, did you
necessary.
guys see how big Brandon was? I had beat for EMP.
It's so hard to build
Yeah,
charge
no, that's good.
in that comp.
Did you guys see how big brain Joey was?
Yeah, I saw his bomb. It's landed next to me while I was on high ground. He didn't even try pushing it off.
My
Why
grab
you
was
guys
really
gotta
bad.
make fun of Joey like that?
Listen,
grab was-
I sent it and then I look back and I'm like, oh.
It's not his fault. I didn't count on my grab.
Hey guys, I
Bad.
think I
Yeah, you
overshot it.
didn't. You're like halfway through the grab and I'm still like looking for my boosters. I'm like, alright, give me a second.
Hey guys, I
It's-
think
it's
I
so- it's hard-
overshot it.
It's so hard to build grab though, in that comp.
You guys are on attack, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scuffed scrims.
Mata.
It's almost like I'm using. Almost like I'm.
Dude, I
hosting.
really need to fix
Yo,
that.
do you guys want to try running quad DPS? Question mark.
No.
No.
Question mark.
I'm not. If it was Vizcaya, yes, but no. Ricky, I like it. I love
Yes,
the
but
beat.
It should be fixed. It should be fixed.
Puts it on no limits.
You could probably actually scout their comp.
We just need to go 6 Sarios and all Q
Oh,
at
did you say
once.
scout their comp with Sombra? I got you.
No,
Yeah.
Aftershock should be.
We can
good.
run Sombra.
What do you? It doesn't
What?
matter.
How
Wait,
am I gonna? What? Huh?
What?
This
would
is good,
she-
this is good.
Why would the
The
main
main
tank go
tank.
Sombra?
The main
Because
tank. of the
None
Lucio.
of us are leaving until the
I
scout
can play
happens.
Sombra, but like, why?
No, make the Lucio. Lucio does it. Lucio does it.
No, it's
Wait,
fine.
what do I do?
I literally placed
He
my
can get
trans-
back faster.
No, it's
You
fine.
can scout the comp.
I literally put my translocator right here. I'll make it back.
You guys are Garbo.
I watch Overwatch League. It's fine.
Okay, go. Just
Yeah,
stay
the
in
Lucio.
spawn, just stay in spawn, just stay in spawn.
We're the main tank.
We go to spawn. Oh my god. Attack. Shh.
I'm just saying, we can get back faster.
Hey, so am I going to be put into any other games, or this is like the last game?
Yeah, you'll probably get put into one, Connor.
Okay.
I.
Do we go left side here? Straight to point?
Oh, we wait for Sombra to tell us what comp they're running, okay? We just stay in spawn.
Chart. No, I'm kidding.
Pause.
Oh,
Dude,
they got
come.
Orisa,
Control
Orisa,
shift equal.
Orisa.
Pause. Control shift equal.
Pause it,
Control
pause
shift.
it, attack.
Alright, I get a clear view of the comp. Easy clap. Alright, they got Zen, Ash, Orisa, Diva. I think I saw like something in the back. I don't know. I
Wait,
saw something in the back.
are they
So
running
basically
Bastion?
don't go through a
I'm pretty sure there's a Zen in the back.
Basically, don't go through a small choke.
Okay, so what do we run here?
Go main then.
Sombra.
Okay, so they have an Ash.
Do they have Bastion with the
They,
Ursa?
I think the Bastion is still running, but they don't have a Lucio. I don't think.
Oh yeah, one of them is AFK, so...
I too will AFK.
I really.
Are you a big AFK?
Because Joey's
What's
dumb,
up,
but you know.
What do you mean? It's fine.
This is why I wanted Momo to do it.
Wait, what?
Because he has eyes.
No. Shut up.
That was not
I'm
what I
just
meant. So do we stay goats here or what?
Wait, you guys actually think
I don't think so. I don't think we can play Goats to the Bastion.
They have a bastion?
I'm pretty sure one of their guys is AFK and they have Ursa again.
They have Orisa.
Well, they have an Ash.
They have Orisa, Diva, Ash, Zen.
Either way, if they have a Junkrat, it's the same effect.
Yeah, we should just swap.
Sombra.
I think we keep the Sombra.
Sombra might be a pick.
I'm on
Definitely
Sombra.
Don't keep Joey on something.
No, don't keep.
Put me on
Ready,
Sombra.
ready,
I-
Joey,
I-
you translocate back.
I know.
No. Ricky and Rage are DPS.
Let me
Okay.
just see their fifth guy, and then I'll translocate back.
Fifth.
Attack,
not
read
fifth.
chat,
Sixth.
use
I only
Papega.
Oh, he's
Ready. Alright, so should I go Sombra or should Ricky go Sombra?
Read chat, pig.
Rage go Sombra.
Okay.
Wait, I'm eating candy.
Shoot, I wasn't ready.
You are actually 13.
Alright, give me. Dude, press E. Press E.
Where is he? Oh, it's a Junkrat. It's Junkrat on it.
Okay.
Joey, you're an idiot.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
so they're running Ash, Junkrat. Okay, well you can just have it.
Ricky. DPS.
Alright, go DPS.
Thank you.
Mana
I'll
mana!
never set down the counter, so it might be a little warm, but
Shoot at me. Shoot at me. Yeah, there we go.
I have
There
a
you go,
woke.
sweet. I have awoken. I'm woke.
There's a trap right
There's a hack.
underneath
Go, go,
the
go,
There's a trap right behind the shield.
Go, 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 go.
I pressed right click.
Still winnable. Still winnable. Just about
Got one.
Keep it low.
Diva low.
Zen
Junker
down.
hack. Oh, fuck.
Don't do that, Joey.
Okay, that's very huge. Do we swap now? Or do we stay this?
No, they're not
Nice.
swapping. No.
Alright.
Still eating candy.
Oh, what?
Fucking child.
I want to become main support someday.
Thought we had 3.
You will.
What?
Well, what else? Do they have any
Let's
ult?
switch to Reinhardt.
The running goats.
Zangoats.
Back up, Joey.
Back up. I'm gonna try to hack the Rhine.
Alright, Brent's one.
Oh.
Guys, we win this somehow?
I kind of
What
right
the
clicked.
heck?
I right clicked
I
into
fired
How did?
I
How
fired
did we
straight
win?
into their
I just want to say that was all Ricky.
I fired straight into their
He
entire
deflect. Okay, no, it was Aftershock's fire strike and Ricky's deflected fire strike and his
Oh.
dash.
Play up,
It
boys,
just killed
play
them all.
up, boys, Play up, boys. Play up.
Yeah,
boys.
what the hell just happened there?
Play up.
Model.
I'm gonna try to hack Rhine. I'm gonna try.
Guys,
Guys,
Shatter
you don't have,
You can
you
hack
don't
Rhino
have much
Shatter.
healing right now. You don't have much healing right now.
Rhine hack. Go.
Go, go,
Passive.
Three.
Diva, there! Diva the back!
Don't touch her. Just leave her. Rage don't kill her. Okay.
She's gonna jump off me.
Nice.
Alright, we have
Joey small brain.
Guys, we don't.
Joey.
What?
Joey!
Joey has the smallest brain, dude.
Joey just grabbed.
Yeah, see,
There we go.
this is why Rage plays. This is why Rage plays.
Listen. I took my hand off the keyboard and hit A, but I accidentally.
Should I just EMP here? Should I just EMP?
Yeah,
here?
EMP, please.
Sure. Do it.
I EMP here.
Yeah,
I need heals.
Go.
Ryan, nice. We got the Ryan?
Dario?
Someone's gotta get on point. Someone's with me. Zen's low?
You guys remember, you guys don't have much shields.
Yeah, someone's okay.
Okay, none of that was in the kill feed, but Ricky, that was the
Okay,
fact.
Joey, get your ult back.
Thank you.
I'm getting my ult back. It's fine. Halfway there.
Yeah, but you would have it if you.
Shut the
I'm
fuck up.
gonna try to hack a Reinhardt again.
Hey, do you have Shatter?
Actually eat your ass.
They have
Yeah,
Shatter and
Why
Growth.
did I do that?
Reinhardt!
Go,
Lucia?
Right side.
I got two. 2 supports. We can push this. Heal me.
Zen down.
All supports dead. They don't have any heals.
They're all low. They're all low.
Sorry.
Sorry. We go to spawn, boys.
Oh my god, you guys are
We are undisputed.
Holy
better
shit,
goats team.
we should run Somber Goats again, dude.
No, we should run Lucio's Brig more, dude. Like,
Jesus.
holy shit.
I
Jesus
don't know if
Christ,
you can
dude.
perform like that on Genji every time, but if so, you should do that.
That's how Ricky plays all the time, dude. That's why I'm so sad about him not playing.
Yeah, Ricky is literally against you.
Dude, Ricky is the team. No. Literally, when I first played with him, Bio was like, "Yo, dude, we don't heal the team. We